big cheer. And these evil invading barbarians from the north, our good friends, the company of the White Wolf, coming down from the Yukon. Team Canada this year, big hand for them. Let's rock and roll.
Doesn't seem quite as easy.
The White Wolf, ready. Fight!
Batman. They look quick, man.
Oh, both down though. Come on, Jose.
Watch the hook, Dale.
Oh, but Jose's down too. Shoot.
You Dale, Rocket! Beat him! Beat him!
Come on, Dale.
Take him out, Rocket! Hook the leg, Rocket! Hook the leg! So gassed out, yeah. Get his leg!
How does that count?
Okay, round two, ready to go. We've got Lethbridge Medieval Club and the company of the Black Spear against the company of the White Wolf for the Yukon. Everybody give them a big hand for round two. Black Spears, are you ready? Go. Right.
Okay, this time don't get cornered.
Hey?
Come on, Lance. Stay up, Lance. Oh, shoot.
But then they're both out.
No, he stood up. He didn't go down.
Oh. Well, they still got one man standing.
All right. When you're fighting them in a way that you don't normally get to know people. MC, we are ready. Let's rock and roll. Fight. Give him the Bertuzzi! And every Canadian knows what I mean. Alex, help him!
Come on, Lan. Stay on your feet, Lan.
This is a bad situation for Lethbridge.
Oh, 3-on-1.
Stop!
3-on-1.
All right. So, when it's a 3-to-1,
They look a little menacing, don't they?
Oh, Jose's down. That's bad.
Almost a left more than